If you are a trader who is still losing money trading the markets the wrong way, then do not miss this video. Hey traders, welcome to We Trade Waves weekly forex forecast. Guys, if you are new, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon to not miss any update, tip or move, and make sure to keep watching till the end to not miss anything. And in case you are new, I cover for you actually the list here, starting with the XY, euro dollar, pound dollar, gold, all the way down to US oil, Bitcoin, and US30. Last week for the XY, I said to you guys, regardless, we'll be looking for the sell setups. And that's exactly what the market have done. And that's how our members made money. Anyway, for this one, this is the setup here, and that's the structure. We've got this drop, we've got this corrective structure, and then this fall. And those of you new, and proof for that, of course, if you go to this one here, this is actually last week's video. As you can see, it's 6 days ago. And by the way, guys, thanks a lot for all of your liking, commenting, and sharing on a weekly basis. Your likes and comments, guys, actually push us to be here every single week to give you more and more. So that's it before, as you can see, to the downside, I said to you, regardless, we'll be looking only for the sell setups. The XY is now sell, and that's exactly what the market have done. So back to the after, that's the after, okay? So regarding this one, that's exactly what the market have done. And what's next, Alan? What I can see here is market to give us a corrective structure one more time, and then one more fall. I go with you guys step by step, wave by wave, and please, you have to follow on a weekly basis because all what we are covering is based on the current market structure and based on the current news, all right? So for this one, what I can say is market to give us a trend continuation pattern, which means here a corrective structure and then one more fall. All right, Alan, what if you are wrong and the market decide to go to the upside to break this top one more time? No problem, we'll not be interested in the buy setups. Any buy setup will ignore it and we'll look for the sell setups even above this top. So in all the cases, sell is what we'll look for the XY. All right, guys, if that's clear, let me know in the comment section, give us thumbs up and leave a comment. Euro dollar for this one, exactly the same thing. Market went to the upside, it gave us a corrective structure as expected, and it was a perfect setup, by the way, guys. We trade waivers, they know how to trade this wave by wave, step by step, and strategy by strategy. If you took this buy, you must have made money, no question. After this up wave, might give us a corrective structure, which is known pattern to us, liquidity grab under this low, buy setup, and then this was the move to the upside. Crazy, easy textbook pattern for we trade waivers. In case you want to join us, all our official links are in the description under this video and in the first comment as well. This is our website. It's called WeTradeWaves.com. And those of you who don't know, we are rated excellent on Trustpilot. As you can see, we're actually few like that who are rated excellent on Trustpilot. You can check that. You can click into this one to see. With more than 700 reviews, you can check this by yourself and you can read them one by one. Again, back to the website. If you want to join us, this is actually the program here. You just click on this one or you can watch this video to join. Or what I can say to you is do not waste more time and money. Once you join, you will learn everything from inside. You have the dashboard and you have the Discord community. And before I continue, I just want to tell you something regarding this community. Last week, it was on fire. Once I go to goal, I show you the success stories. But keep watching. I'll cover for you step by step, wave by wave, all the charts, okay? So for this one, what's next? I'm expecting market now to give me a corrective structure here and then one more push up before the next structure. This will be a trend continuation pattern. Again, for this one, this strategy, specifically this strategy, it was updated inside the dashboard for WTW Pro members. Again, once you join, you will get access to the dashboard and to the community. Everything is inside. So for this one, this is what I'm expecting. Again, what if I'm wrong? If I'm wrong and the market will decide to fall to the downside to break this low, no problem. We'll not lose our accounts here. If this happens, we'll just be out for small loss or break even. And then after that, we'll look for the buy setups as well. In all the cases, this downtrend will give us the buy setup. And anytime I give me a buy setup, I'll go for it. Either after a corrective structure or after a new low. No problem. Any sell setup will ignore. We'll focus on the buy setups only. All right? Pound dollar, exactly the same thing. Market went as expected again. We broke this low, liquidity grab, as you know. And then after that, market went to the upside. What's next? Corrective structure is expected. But be careful here because this can become a potential running flat. Let me show you something here. If I delete this one, this was just for learning purposes. Here we've got this drop, corrective structure drop, corrective structure drop. At We Trade Waves, we call this as 5 waves corrective structure. So if this is the up wave here and that's the corrective structure and this is the up move, we have potentially a structure that will give us this drop before the next up wave. In all the cases, the sell setup, as a scalper, you can take it just short term. And then if this turns out to be a corrective structure and you get a buy setup, we'll go for the buy. This is what we'll do internally. This is the high probability chance move. But again, in case this will be falling to the downside, no problem, no sells, just a buy setup under this low will be perfect if market gave us this drop. Okay? That's regarding pound dollar. Gold, this was crazy. I said to you last week, guys, gold is to the upside. Regardless, we'll look for the buy setups. If you don't remember, you can go to the YouTube channel and check this by yourself. But before I cover what's next, I just want to go to the Discord community. Again, you'll get access to this one, guys, as soon as you join WTW Pro. All the links are in the description, in the first comment. On our website, you can join the program, or you can watch this video to know more about the program here, or you can just keep watching till the end to see this video. Again, do not waste more time and money, guys. It's your opportunity. Grab it, learn, and then after that, after you learn the right way, you can do whatever you want to do. Our mission is to teach you how to trade correctly. So if you want to learn how to trade correctly, weighted waves is the only solution for you if you want to jump to the next level with the successful traders. Alan, why you are saying successful traders? Do you really have successful traders inside? Once you go to the success stories and you can check this by yourself. Even on the website, you go to this one here and then you can scroll down to check these ones here, these videos. You can check the testimonials, what our members are saying, and you can scroll all the way down to check all of the success stories here. Even inside the dashboard, inside the Discord community, you have this success stories. If I scroll up, guys, this will never end. And on top of that, you can check the Trustpilot and read what our members are saying regarding weighted waves. So all of this, guys, it's called social proof. It's called the proof that weighted waves is actually the real deal if you want to jump to the next level as a trader. Anyway, inside the Discord, Rudra was actually making this much last week, as I showed you, 33K. It was great, like crazy, Rudra. You've done a great job. Please keep the discipline. All the way down, you can check Badr as well. Look at this one. Check these profits here and check this dashboard. All the way down, just actually in the last 7 days, guys. All right. So this, as you can see, July 1st. Okay. So Abu Ahmed as well, he passed the FTMO challenge. You can read this. You can read actually the stories. You can read what they are saying. James as well regarding gold. Look at this one regarding the buy. Okay. So 14K profits trading gold just with this upwave and based on the direction that we are actually telling to the upside. All the way down as well, VJ was making actually, 5 lots in gold is not small. Those of you don't know. All the way down, guys, to more and more success stories. And you can see Robsy as well putting this comment you can read by yourself. So all of this, guys, I do believe that only weighted waves have this transparency and have this much success stories. Weighted waves is the reference. We are reference in terms of teaching how to trade correctly and teaching wave analysis. So for this one, guys, I hope this is clear. Back to gold. After this upwave, what's next, Alan? After this upwave, guys, I'm expecting market to give me a corrective structure, another up move. In all the cases, up is what I can see for gold, right? If you're in the buy, make sure to protect your capital and move your stops to break even and let the market unfold. If you are not in, you wait for a corrective structure to go for the buy. Again, guys, the levels will be shared by T tomorrow during the Sunday session regarding the trades of the week. All of you who knows T, you know actually how valuable the session is every Sunday conducted by T at 12 p.m. for WTW Pro members. And those of you who are actually with us, let us know in the comment section. Let the people actually know the importance of that session inside the comment section. I want you guys to comment just for those of you, for those who are not in, just to see the importance of these sessions. Anyway, for this one, I hope this is clear. Aussie dollar for this one, exactly the same thing. Market went to the upside. What's next, Alan? In all the cases, corrective structure up is what I can see next before the next move. New Zealand dollar for this one, again, market is pushing to the upside after we took liquidity under these lows, right? Again, as you remember, like 1 and then 2, and the market is pushing to the upside. What's next, Alan? Even if this will go to the downside to break this low, up is the move, guys. Again, you want to scalp this one, you can go for it, no problem. But I'll try to ignore it because my focus is towards the upside, because this can be potentially a complete corrective structure for the next upwave. So I don't want to miss the upwave, but it's fine to miss a small move here to the downside just to not miss the upwave. Okay. Dorian for this one, I said to you last week, if you remember, anytime BOJ can intervene. And this was one of our trades of the month, by the way, conducted by T or shared by T last Sunday. So our members, actually, if you sold this one, you must have made money, no question. If you are in, move your stops and let the market unfold. Again, this was going to the upside slowly, and after that, you've got this sharp drop. You should have made a lot of money trading this one if you followed these instructions last week regarding the trade of the month. Now, what's next? Corrective structure drop is what I can see next for dollar yen. If you want to learn all of this, guys, it's inside WTW Pro membership. The link in the description and in the first comment as well. Dollar Swiss, exactly the same thing. It was a dollar pair anyway. We've got this drop, corrective structure drop. What's next, Alan? If we get a corrective structure similar to this one, another drop will be coming here to the downside to take liquidity under this low, and then after that, market will follow. Again, If we get a corrective structure and a sell setup, do not miss this sell to the downside, okay? But do not forget WTW 4 golden rules, guys. In case I'm wrong and the market shoot to the upside, I don't want you to lose your money, okay? So for that, this is what I can see, and this is the high probability chance move till now based on the current market condition and based on the current structure. DORCAT for this one, exactly the same thing. Market is pushing the upside, corrective structure up before the next drop. In all the cases, I'll be looking for the sell setups for DORCAT. Any buy setup I'll ignore, especially after this big up wave. USOIL for this one, market is falling as expected to the level that we want. What's next? Corrective structure here, and then one more drop will be coming. After this corrective structure, if you get a sell setup, you can go for it. You want to scalp this to the upside, you can go for it. Short term, this going to the upside. All right, just to be clear, short term, this can be a potential expanding flat here before the next drop. Which wave to trade is up to you. This is what I can see based on the structure and based on WeTrade Waves wave analysis concept. Bitcoin for this one, market just wasting time here before the next drop. In all the cases, I'm still biased to the downside. Any up wave here, it will be temporary, and then another drop will be coming. I'm still biased to the downside for this one, guys. If you are in the buy, make sure to protect your capital and just move your stops and let the market unfold. For this, I cannot see this is reversing yet. And if it will, we will see the signs anyway. For now, I cannot see that. This all will be just a potential structure before the next drop. Even if market goes to the upside to break this top, it will be liquidity grab before the next drop. Again, which wave to trade is up to you. Investing in Bitcoin, we are not in it at the moment. We'll apply just DCA. And those of you who don't know DCA, join the program to learn it the right way. Because if you want to succeed in investing, if you want to achieve financial freedom, you have to learn DCA and diversification. All of this, we are teaching you inside the program as well, on top of teaching you how to trade correctly. So inside WeTrade Waves, you will get access to the course, basic course, masterclass course, practical sessions, Q&A session recordings, strategies examples. You'll get access to the community, you'll get access to the dashboard, and on top of that, we will teach you how to invest and how to achieve financial freedom the soonest. That's the ultimate solution if you want to jump to the next level, and if not, it's up to you, okay? So for this one, US30 market is pushing the upside and is trending. What's next? Corrective structure up. This will keep going to the upside slowly until something will trigger the drop. For now, it's just uptrend. Any corrective structure is a buy opportunity from the trading point of view. As investor, you know what to do. I have explained this more than once inside YouTube, inside our channel, and inside the program. With that note, guys, you trade with care. Do not miss tomorrow's session. It will start at 12 p.m. UK time, conducted by T. And those of you who want to know more about the program, watch this video. If you are serious about learning how to trade the right way, then this video is for you. Most traders don't fail because of the market. They fail because they lack proper trading education. I'm Alan, trading coach and co-founder of WeTrade Waves, and in the next 3 minutes, I will show you what's included inside WTW Pro, the program that has helped thousands of traders succeed, and how you can be next. Step 1, start with WTW Basic Course. Even if you think you already know the basics, watch it. Our goal here is simple: build the foundation. Step 2, go straight into the WTW Masterclass course. This is where the real WTW framework starts. Don't rush it, take notes, pause, rewatch, and ask questions. In this Masterclass course, we'll teach you everything about WeTrade Waves wave analysis concept, strategies, exits, entries, risk management, money management, everything. Step 3, the Q&A session recordings. Yes, they are a lot, and yes, it takes time, but listen carefully. This is where I cover the advanced part of WeTrade Waves concept. Even you can find the long-term sessions that are covered by T usually at the start of every year. But again, this way traders level up because you hear real questions, real chart situations, real mistakes, and real solutions. If you only do the courses and you skip the Q&A session recordings, you are leaving the pro level on the table. You don't want to do that. Step 4, join the day live sessions and ask questions. Starting with the Sunday session, every Sunday covered by T. Don't be a silent member. The fastest way for you to improve is to watch live analysis, ask your questions, and get corrected. And also, this is how you will build confidence. This is a mentorship. Use it. Step 5, this is not an overnight flip. Remember, this is not join today, rich tomorrow. Trading is a skill, like a profession. You are building discipline, execution, psychology, and consistency. If you respect the process, the results will follow. Step 6, WTW is not only about trading, it's a complete system. And we are not a signal service anyway. Even if we have the Sunday live sessions and we share the trades of the week, and we have the Wednesday update and the daily live sessions, we also teach you about investing, long-term wealth thinking, and how to build financial freedom the smart way. Because the goal is not only to win one trade, the goal is to win in life with money, time, and freedom. And you can achieve that anyway. And finally, step 7, trust the process and follow the roadmap. Basic course, masterclass course, Q&A session recordings, and daily live sessions. If you follow this roadmap, you will be shocked how much clarity you will gain in the next weeks and months. Welcome again to WTW Pro. Now please join the Discord community from the Discord tab on your dashboard, and I'll see you inside.